So today we are going to solve a coding problem, and in that problem we have to print this pattern. So you can pause the video to think for a moment and build the logic. So as you can see, we are printing 4321 and then we are doing it backwards. That means we have to run this for loop in a backward way. Or you can say that we are going to use negative step. So first there are 4 lines here, so I can write for I in range 4. Then I have to use another for loop that is going to run from 4. Then we have I here, and then we will have -1, which will give 4321. Then we will print this j, and here we can write end equal to empty string. And now here we can write print bracket bracket to print a new line. And that's it. Now we have got the desired output.